Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. All right, so most of you know that I am a big coffee drinker and I need coffee to get my day going. So you might have recently noticed in one of my videos that I had mentioned that I am not drinking too much TA coffee, even though it's free. And there's a couple reasons for it, and it's mostly health reasons. So I started thinking about the chemicals that it takes to clean the machines that they have there at truck stops, and it is all regulated, and I know it's all supposed to be safe and things like that. But I was starting to have just some stomach problems after I would drink coffee every once in a while, and it didn't matter really where it was, what truck stop it was. So I thought to myself, after we woke up in different locations a few times, that I didn't have coffee and I wanted to fix it. So I got this for $20 at Walmart. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can find it easily. And it is a one pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that for you right now. So I'm making the keto coffee. So if you don't know what keto coffee is, or maybe you've heard it called bulletproof coffee, it's where you're not adding cream or sugar or anything like that in it. So it has coconut oil and grass-fed butter inside there. So I'm putting it in the mason jar. I'm going to show you how to make it without a hand mixer. Coffee grinds are in this single little basket. We're going to go ahead and put that in there, and then we're going to, this is already full of the water that I want it to be to the level at. I'm going to fill my organic coffee, organic coconut oil, and like I said, grass-fed butter. It helps with intermittent fasting and things like that, which I'm doing. My channel's not necessarily all about health and wellness, but you guys know that I do try to choose to live as healthy as possible. And it's something that I've been doing lately. Some of you have asked how we stay so skinny and things like that. And for me, intermittent fasting helps, and the bulletproof coffee has been wonderful and enjoyable. Shake the grinds down just a little bit to let water so it doesn't drip down to the bottom of there and create a mess over everything. And I pitch these either in our trash bag or right out the window, depending on where we are, because they are biodegradable. So now I have my coffee brewed in here and my coconut oil and butter in here, and I'm gonna pour a little coffee in there so it melts it. Here we go, we're gonna put it in here. And the thing is you wanna try to get the oils blended in with the coffee. So you can see that it is mixed together, and it's stirred in there very well. So then you're just going to take this. Honey, what are you doing?
I can save you a whole lot of time and trouble. Just go to the refrigerator, pop open one of these babies, blam! I'm done drinking it before she's even making her coffee.
Yeah. So you can see it's mixed together. The oils and all are not separate anymore. So just be careful. The jar does get a little bit hot. Pour it in there. And so that is the keto coffee. If you guys don't know a lot about it, you can YouTube it, you can search it and all like that. You can find out a ton of information and what the helpful benefits are to it. Hopefully that encourages you to continue to be healthier yourself and make keto coffee in the truck.
Lily, what do you think about the keto coffee?
He likes the smell of coffee.
Lip smacking good, huh?
All right, guys, until next time, stay safe, enjoy the adventures, and be well. Bye.